My name is Youvan. I am the head bartender from Culinarion Bucharest, and today I want to show you to prepare 5 cocktails. So the first cocktail is a Godfather sour. For Godfather sour, we will have to prepare some of the ingredients. Which one? We have a whiskey, Jim Beam, bourbon. Anyway, you can use other whiskey, but I prefer for you to have a bourbon whiskey, and then this Sarono. Yep. And let's start to make it. Okay. First, you use the glass, mixing glass, bourbon whiskey, 40 ml of Jim Beam whiskey. Okay. If you don't have a jigger at home, you can use the shot glass, and then we add Amaretto di Sarono, the liquor, the same quantity like a whiskey, 40 ml of di Sarono Amaretto. Yeah, we pour, and we add also the sugar syrup. In this moment, you can use also the sugar granulates. It depends on you which one is available at home, or you can make the sugar syrup homemade, like you put the sugar and then you put the hot water, so it's become like this. We add 20 ml of sugar syrup. Okay. For the lemon juice, we need 40 ml. Okay. And then to have a smooth taste, we need to add also the white egg. We took one bowl of the white egg, and then we separate just white part of the egg. We need to add also the same 40 ml. Now it's time to fill the glass with ice. You close your cocktail shaker, or the mixing with the shaker, like around 12 seconds. Shake hard or more. Our cocktail is finished, but we need to add also the garnish. We cut slice of lemon, and then we put on the top. And then we need some lemon oil. Which one is coming from the lemon fruits? You can use the knife or fruit peeler, and then you splash to the cocktail, the oil. And now this is your di Sarono sour. Enjoy and cheers.